Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to talk about midi dresses, how to style them, how to wear them, and how to rock the look. So midi style dresses typically end just above, just around, or just below the knee area. It is a length that works for many different women of all sizes. So first we're going to check out how this blogger wears this all black midi skirt. This should pretty much be a staple in every woman's closet. It is a great classic skirt, classic length that you can wear many different ways. So first she styled it with a white t-shirt, turned it into a crop top, and then here she dresses it up even further with a black shirt. I think that this would look great with a belt worn in the middle instead of that fanny pack, but that's just my opinion. And then lastly, she styles this with a cute little hat and a leather jacket. Such a chic, fun look. So next, our fashion blogger is going to show us how to wear this look with a blazer. So she paired this bright, fun yellow one, perfect for spring, with a checkered blazer. And then she styles it with a black blazer. This is a great look for wearing to the office. And then for just more of a dressy feel, she paired it with a turtleneck and a sweater. Love that velvet purple purse that she has. And then here we have the look with a turtleneck. This is a great look for spring. Love how she belted the middle with that. And the pop of purple really added something unique to the overall look. So next up we have the styling of midi dress with the form of patterns. So this is a really nice, interesting look. I love the fact that midi dresses can be worn so many different ways. This is actually a skirt. She has a fun little floral print for that one. And then this is an all black one that she styles with cowboy boots. There's that leather jacket once again. And then this fun animal print. I think the animal print is definitely my favorite. So she does belt that in the middle with the waist. And these are some styles that would work for many different body types and shapes. So she does add boots with the last look. This is very cute, as well as a purse and a jean jacket. Another great look for spring. And then we have the styling of a pink midi skirt. So she is a little bit more on the curvier side. You guys know I always try to showcase different body types because we are definitely not all the same. So she paired this pink midi skirt with a beautiful sweater. This one is white and white boots to match. So cute. And then she does turn this top into a crop top as well. Paired it with a leather jacket. I love the way that that looks. And then she added the lace top and a leather jacket. Wow, that is so cute. I think this is probably my favorite look in the whole video. Alright you guys, so which blogger rocked your favorite midi dress or skirt? Leave me your thoughts in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.